And learning has been disrupted at Katundu-tura Primary School in Laikipia North as strong winds blew off the roof of 8 classrooms, affecting about 400 pupils on Wednesday. The area experienced torrential rainfall, which was accompanied by a storm. The winds also destroyed the homes of some 15 families who were forced to spend the night in the cold. According to the school head teacher, Mrs. Eunice Shene, the pupils were in class when the incident occurred. No one was injured in the incident. The area member of parliament visited the school after the tragedy, promising to rebuild the school and distributed bedding, tents and utensils to the affected families.
Sisi tutajenga shule, alafu iwe kuna watu wanafanya child labor mpaka sasa, kufanyisha watoto kazi. Wengine wanawapeleka wachunge ng'ombe, wengine wanapeleka kwa shamba ya nyanya. Tafadhali tunawaomba. Na ninaomba kwa sababu hawa watoto ndio kesho yenu. Hawa watoto ndio matumaini yenu ya kesho.